Hello, I'm Chris McMillan, one of the faculty here, and we're here in Brixton, in South London. We're going to use Brixton to talk about race, about migration, about Britishness, and a little bit about gentrification as well. Here we are in Windrush Square in Brixton, and this is really where we get to the heart of our issues about race, migration, and Britishness. So for a long time, Brixton was very white and very middle class. World War II changed all of that. So much of Brixton's changed over the past 40 years. Some of it's stayed the same. We're going to go back down one of the arcades and see what it would have been like a little while ago. Let's go. So we're in a train station, which really shows our commitment to this cause here. We walked up several flights of stairs because we're going to go see this guy. This guy, who is he? We don't know, he doesn't have a name. This is the first piece of public black art in Britain. It was produced by a guy called Keith Atherton in 1986. Here's the significance of that. Britain, say, 99% white up until just after World War II. So all the statues you see around, dead white men, all of them, all around the place. Some aristocrats, people in war, whatever. So if you are a kid growing up in Brixton, this home of the Caribbean community, and you look around, you go visit Parliament or whatever, there's just no one who looks like you. So it wasn't until 1986 that we got this fellow representing parts of the black community. Now, we've made our way through the markets to cool Brixton, which has been made far less cooler by my presence here. Anyway, this is a place called Hot Brixton. This area, and I know I'm showing it ever so well with it being closed, but you can see it's a container, it's got cool stuff in front of it. So now it's like this business market where young folk come in, they drink, they have their creams. It's very nice. You'll see when you get here. Problem is, this place here, you go in it, it's very pale, which is completely different to the rest of Brixton. And this is what's happening in London everywhere.
So now we're sitting down, we've been on a journey, I've broken my glasses, we've learned that I can't do voiceovers. What are our main discussion questions? So we're wondering about how does race and migration in Britain, does it feel different from America? And does Brixton, what we've seen, does it feel British? Does it jive with your kind of ideas of what Britain will look like? And if Brixton doesn't feel British, what does it say about our ideas about Britishness? And also, I want to talk to you about, are you looking forward to coming to London? If you're doing my experience in the Global City class, we will come to Brixton. I will tell the same old stories, but it's a really cool place to come.